Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will study higher order derivative. If y is equal to fx, then dy dx can be written as d dx of fx, or f dash x, or capital D of fx, capital Dy, y1 or y dash. These are symbols for dy dx. If we differentiate further, then d dx of dy dx can be written as d square y dx square can be written as d square fx dx square is equal to f double dash x is equal to d square y is equal to y2 or y double dash. All these are symbols for double derivative, second order derivative. For example, if y is equal to sin x, then dy dx is equal to cos x. This implies d dx of d square y dx square is equal to d dx of dy dx is equal to d dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. This is example of what is double derivative. Similarly, if you derive again differentiate this, you will get third order derivative and so on. Now take another example of double derivative. Given that y is equal to e to power x tan inverse x, then you are required to prove 1 plus x square d square y dx square minus two into 1 minus x plus x square dy dx plus 1 minus x whole square y is equal to 0. Here you have product of two functions differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy dx is equal to e to power x d dx of tan inverse x plus tan inverse x into d dx of e to power x is equal to e to power x upon 1 plus x square differentiation of tan inverse x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into e to power x. d dx of e to power x is e to power x. This is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. In your equation 1, you have y equal to e to power x tan inverse x. Put value of e to power x tan inverse x from here in equation 2. You will get dy dx is equal to e to power x upon 1 plus x square plus y. Now in such questions where you are required to find a relation between double derivative, single derivative and y, if you obtain denominator in right side, send this in left side by multiplying with denominator. Always don't apply quotient rule here. Always send denominator to left side. This becomes 1 plus x square dy dx plus is equal to e to power x plus 1 plus x square y. Call this as second equation, not this. Third equation. Now you are required to find relation in double derivative. Therefore, again differentiate equation third with respect to x. Differentiating again with respect to x, we get here is product, here is product. Apply product rule. 1 plus x square into d dx of dy dx plus dy dx into d dx of 1 plus x square. This is equal to d dx of e to power x plus 1 plus x square d dx of y plus y d dx of 1 plus x square. This implies 1 plus x square d square y dx square plus this gives 2x into dy dx is equal to e to power x plus 1 plus x square dy dx plus 2xy. d dx of 1 is 0, d dx of x square is 2xy. From 3, put the value of e to power x here. This implies 1 plus x square d square y dx square plus 2x dy dx is equal to e to power x is equal to 1 plus x square dy dx minus 1 plus x square y. 1 plus x square dy dx minus 1 plus x square y. 1 plus x square y. Value of e to power x plus 1 plus x square dy dx plus 2xy. After that, collect dy dx at one place and take dy dx common and non dy dx at one place. You will get one plus x square d square y dx square plus 2x from here minus 1 plus x square from here minus 1 plus x square from here into dy dx minus this y become common. You will get 1 plus x square plus 2x into y is equal to 0. This implies this become double. Take 2 minus 2 common. 1 plus x square d square y dx square. Take minus 2 common. You will get 1 minus x plus x square dy dx plus this is minus. This is right portion. If you take left side, this become plus 2xy become minus. Plus a square b square minus 2ab become 1 minus x whole square into y is equal to 0. This is your required answer. Similarly, you can solve all other questions in which you are required to find a relation between double derivative, single derivative and y. Thank you very much.